In Bezi, grouping and empties are essential for organizing and managing complex scenes. In this video of the Bezi 101 series, we'll go over these features. To group objects within the spatial canvas, select multiple items by either selecting them one by one while holding Shift, or click and drag your cursor across objects with Shift held. Once selected, hit the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-G or Command-G on Mac. You can also do this by right-clicking and choosing the group option. Right-clicking also works while selecting objects in the hierarchy panel. Once a group is created, they can be treated as if they were an individual object. Properties such as pan, rotate, and transparency affect the group and all objects within it. These properties can be recorded in the state machine just like individual objects. You can also nest groups. These are groups within groups. Besides helping with organization, nested groups can be used for more advanced interaction control. Something to note is that groups in Bezi are boundless. Their size is determined by the extent of the elements contained within them, adjusting dynamically as you add or remove objects. Empties work similarly to groups. To make an empty, go to the Object menu in the toolbar. The key difference is that their bounds are determined in the Properties panel. The size of an empty will not change despite objects within it going outside those boundaries. Empties are useful if you need more control over the boundary of a collection of objects. Something to note is that each group or empty in Bezi has its own set of spatial coordinates. For instance, if an object is 5 centimeters from the center of the canvas and is then grouped, the group inherits the position of the object. However, the object now operates within the group's own space and dimensions. Organizing your objects through groups and empties can not only help you organize your project, but are key tools that can help you build complex immersive scenes. We'll be going through that and more in the rest of the Bezi 101 series. See you in the next one!